Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this 4-bedroom detached property over on Grandstand Avenue in Salford. So as you'll see to the side, you've got double gates to the rear. It is tucked away on this private road, which does only have 4 houses on and overlooks the beautiful greenery and park. Really nice and quiet down here. Now, as we head inside, you'll find a lounge and open plan kitchen diner downstairs. Really good space, it's been really well looked after throughout. So as we head into the living room, you've got double doors to the front there. Really good space. Super modern, ready to move straight into. As we head on through, we've got the downstairs toilet. Really handy for family and guests. As we head to the back of the property, you'll see this gorgeous open plan kitchen diner. Beautifully presented, all integrated appliances. Got some storage under the stairs which just go all the way under, and your dining space to the back. Just show you it from this other angle. You see how well it's been looked after, how modern it is. To the rear of the property, got this super sized garden. Really quiet back here, and you'll see the side access through the double gates, which you could use as more off-road parking, and then a gate to the gunnel at the back. Now, as we head on back through, we head upstairs. To the first floor, you'll find 3 bedrooms, and then to the top floor is the master. 2 of the bedrooms having an ensuite and also a family bathroom. So this is the smallest of the 3. Really good size. Nice floor to ceiling window, letting loads of natural light in. And then we've got the 3rd bedroom here. Again, really good size double, loads of natural light. Space for wardrobes. Family bathroom to the first floor. Modern 3-piece suite. And the 2nd bedroom with double doors overlooking the park. Loads of space in here for extra furniture if needed. And this bedroom does also have the ensuite, which you'll see really modern. Shower around the corner there. Now, as you head on upstairs, you'll find the master bedroom with an ensuite. Access to the balcony at the top through this door and through the 2nd door here. Really good space in here. Loads of natural light flooding in because you've got the 3 windows and the door to the balcony. Fitted wardrobes. Really good dressing area. It's been really well looked after, this property. And also benefiting from another ensuite with a shower there. As we head out onto the balcony, it is south facing, so you do get the sun all day on this balcony. Really nice little seating area, overlooking the park. Again, really quiet because it is just the 4 houses on this part of the road. Really good space out here. If you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.